Resch Frisch have a heralded reputation for quality baked goods. Quality that has earned the company's success since 1924. Blending tradition with technology, Resch Frisch chose BakeX software from AutomationX. BakeX provides production planning, recipe management, dosing control, and quality assurance. With a new facility in Gunskirchen, BakeX precisely maintains dosing accuracy, the kneading process, and dough proofing. Each step has a significant influence on the final product. Clear HDMI displays guide employees safely through the production process. BakeX prompts the master baker for a quality check, where dough is processed into the finished product. BakeX ensures that the pretzels are flavorful and tasty. Production order data is collected and clearly presented to the production manager on the BakeX HMI. Without paper, whiteboards, or chaos. The sophisticated software platform controls the raw materials, liquid dosing, and sourdough preparation. The end-to-end system facilitates the operation, monitoring, and maintenance, integrating with hardware from various vendors. BakeX provides 100% batch traceability from the raw material to the end product. With AutomationX, we have chosen a reliable and competent partner for our projects and operations.